picked up these cheap Amazon wiper blades for Silverado because mine are getting bad. Bought them a week ago, but just haven't had time to put them on because it's hard to put them on and watch the baby at the same time. So, gonna get these unboxed. All I did was cut the tape. I haven't even pulled them out yet, so let's find out what they look like. So, I don't even know how you pronounce it. Like, Zikmo something? I don't know. Here's their website, here's their email. It's super easy, you know, all this high performance. All season. That's also why I bought them. Because I don't like the ones that aren't really coated. Let's see here. Like I said, I cut the tape. I haven't unboxed these yet. Come on. Like I said, I haven't opened them. I just taped them. Okay. All right. Tells you on here, remove the green protector. Remove the green rubber protector. So these arch pretty good. So that should hold the contour of the window really nice. So let's go ahead and get these on the truck. Super simple to do. These newer vehicles, some of these ends are different. So on Amazon, I made sure that it worked for my Silverado. So these should work. Just to add, you know, shows you your instructions here. And I don't consider windshield wipers all season unless they have this rubber outing protective layer on here. Because in the snow, you get snow in that, it binds up and then it doesn't work right. So these help keep the snow out. And since I only change wipers like once every 3 years, because I really don't care unless I can't really see. So that's pretty nice. So let's go get them on the truck. All right, just pick these up. Push that little tab. There you go. These are directional, so you can't put on backwards. These just... Hard to do this one-handed. Boom, again. Pull that off. Boom, now just repeat. All right, let's find out if these things actually work. That's not bad. Some of my other ones, I just had this, I don't know, about like this I could see because it was so wore out. But that's where it's nice having that nice stiff contour, because it really forms to the window. And that's why you get them streaks, is you get a bad, like a high spot, and then the water just goes right under it. So, because it's changing shape as it goes down. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the link. Make sure you guys check them out.